Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It's the 10 kilo ox.
It's the 10 kilo ox. I've been looking forward to this since September last year.
Me too. Let's get straight to it.
Can I get cracking into it?
We may need a little bit of witty banter because we're going to open up this very cool wooden box. They secure it very, very well. Of course, we are looking at the Perth Mint 2021 10 kilo, yes, 10 kilo lunar ox in silver right here. I pre-loosened them for you, mate. So
you're a legend.
you can thank me. Of course, wooden box and the blue Perth Mint straps with the Perth Mint logo, swan, on there as well.
Of course, a real organised person would have had the electric drill with him.
How many times is that now where we've said we'll bring in the drill next time and then we don't?
Yeah.
Oh, well, what do you do? Beautiful. Now, we did this with the 10 kilo mouse.
We did.
Last year, and I'll put a link above to that right now. It's done quite well in terms of its views. Over 10k views, I think.
And we actually had footage of the 10 kilo snake, the 10 kilo dragon.
Yes.
And the 10 kilo... What was the other one we had? Was there a third? Was the horse, was it? The 10 kilo horse.
Yeah.
Whatever happened to that footage, mate?
The dog ate it. No, unfortunately what happened was I was clearing out the SD card of a bunch of different stuff, and lo and behold, hadn't transferred it over first, and we lost it. And,
we did.
I apologised profusely. And this is what I get for apologising profusely. I get the rubbing in my face, but well deserved, actually, because that was a big boo-boo.
It certainly wasn't a great one.
It wasn't a great one.
All right, let's get the certificate out of here before it gets creased.
So it comes with a lovely certificate.
Shall we have a quick look at the
Absolutely.
certificate?
Let's check it out. Let's get it in the light there. Looking nice. Beautiful. Yep.
And
Series
then,
3.
have you seen what number it is?
I have not seen what number
Take
it is.
a guess.
1.
No.
Oh, close. Number 98.
Yes.
Very cool.
Out of 100 that they've currently produced.
Oh, I would have loved 100. How cool would that be?
Yeah, we're very close to the end.
98 though, fantastic. Yep, 10 kilos out of 100.
100.
Only ever produced?
Only ever produced 100.
My goodness me. All right, let's get to the actual coin itself. Fantastic. And I would certainly expect, a lovely certificate for a 10 kilo.
You would.
A 10 kilo coin. And these are these made to order?
Sort of.
Yeah.
They are a very limited production.
Okay.
So they make the whole 100 all in one hit. Sorry, are you pointing to something?
Well, let's open this bad boy.
They make the 100 all at one go because they're a handcrafted coin. And you'll notice that by the premium on it. The premium is far dearer. It is, let me get this the right way around, it is cheaper to buy 10 1 kilo oxen, or oxes, ox coins, than it is to buy 1 10 kilo.
Yeah.
Because they really are a work of art. It's the same design and everything, but the actual process of producing them is far more labour intensive.
Finishing, yeah, absolutely.
So, and the cost is reflected on that. So I think roughly off the top of my head, the premium's something like $6,000 to $7,000 over spot.
Whoa. Here we go,
So
here we go, here we go.
But this is the ultimate completer.
Ah. Nice. Yes.
I will get some gloves on.
Okay. The 10 kilo. Look at that. What a beautiful finish.
Yeah, they're a
That's
beautiful
just
coin.
lovely. That's all right. Probably a customer who we shall serve very, very soon.
We shall.
This is the beauty of filming in the store during business hours. Oh, look at it. I'm going to get the this shot, the thumbnail shot, and this one. Look at this. Very cool indeed. The
Certainly is.
2021 10 kilo lunar silver ox from the Perth Mint. Just beautiful. And do you mind, shall we? Thank you. Her Madge in all her frosted glory.
Yes.
Actually, is that...
it's a frosted mirror finish almost, isn't it?
It's almost mirror, but not quite
Yeah.
on her Madge right there. Now, it is worth a whopping $300. So, you know, you can take that down.
It is worth a lot more than $300.
The fiat
Its
currency
face value.
Fiat currency face value is $300. You could take that down to, I don't know.
I would love to try and spend this. I would honestly would love to try and take it into Woolies and pay for the groceries.
Yeah, of course. Good luck.
Yeah, that's right.
Beautiful. And of course, people don't ever drop the capsule because good luck trying to replace this piece. Can we actually get this on the side? Look at that. I love the thickness. How cool is that? That's just thick and chunky. And I like the fact that it's not reeded.
Yeah.
I really love that. That's just beautiful. All right, there is your 10 kilo Lunar Ox 2021.
Stunning.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, question is this available or is this already sold?
This one's technically already sold.
Okay.
So we had a pre-order in on it. So
okay. We hoping to get any more?
I'm hoping. I'm always hoping.
Okay.
But it's pretty hard to get hold of more than your allocation. So because they are snapped up by collectors worldwide because they're just so darn hard to get hold of.
Yep.
And they only produce 100 of them. So it's like I said, if you're stacking the Ox series or the Lunar series, it's kind of the ultimate one to lay your fingers on.
Yep.
And certainly not cheap. Like I said, I can't remember, but it's approximately that $6,000 to $7,000 over spot. So it's not a cheap completer.
Completer. But for some it may certainly be worth it. Absolutely. Yeah. Lovely. Well, head over to bullionnow.com.au for all the other stuff that we do. Bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Once again, last look at the 10 kilo.
I don't think we're going to get B-roll on it somehow. I think the turntable will fall apart.
The turntable will smash. But, you know, we've done a decent job here. So.
Maybe I should just hold it and I'll turn around.
Hey, that's a great idea. If you see that additional footage at the end, you'll know we did it. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. And as always, that's it from me.
And from V2.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.